St. Petersburg College is preparing students in a number of ways. We offer certificate programs, associate and bachelor's degree programs. What's nice about the degree programs is that they have embedded certificates, which allows students to earn industry certifications before graduating. The apprenticeship is employer-driven, so the employers get to design the program. You can choose a traditional model, which employees work during the day and go to school at night, paid for by the employer, or they can do the front-loaded model, which requires them to do all of the related technical instruction first, or the segmented model, which they get their related technical instruction in spurts so they can work, get some education, and get back to work.
What employers tend to ask for the most are professional skills. They want people coming with good work ethic, communication skills, critical thinking skills. How do we actually interact in a team? How do we provide quality, responsive care to our clients? So good customer service skills. And we hear this over and over again. The cost of recruitment of a new person, it could be 50 to 100% or more of that person's first year salary. And so the apprenticeship model helps to reduce the cost of training someone, onboarding them, helping them to integrate into the organization, understanding what that organization's unique operational needs are. All of that is covered in the apprenticeship. Also gives the apprentice a kind of a first look at what the job really is. Sometimes students aren't very sure of what a career is like, and so it allows them to understand from a very upfront perspective exactly what that career entails.